Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we'll be going over the inside, outside, and all of the specifications on the 2024 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Guys, now before we get started with the video, I know a lot of you are in the market for any new or used vehicle or even a Toyota Tundra. If you guys want the best price on any vehicle and you want to get a quote today, click the link in the description to get that information sent over to you. But without further ado, let's check out the all-new 2024 Toyota Tundra. So here she is, the 2024 Toyota Tundra Platinum. These things are built in Texas, so it is a Japanese design truck, but they are built in America, which is super cool. Underneath the hood, we have a twin turbo V6 that makes 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, which is absolutely amazing. That is a ton of torque out of this V6 twin turbo. Let's go ahead and close the hood on this bad boy and take a look at everything. In today's video, like I said, we'll be going over the inside, outside, and all the specifications on the specific Toyota Tundra Platinum trim. As you can see up here, we have our headlights with these LED strips up front that give it a really unique, aggressive look. As you can see, they are sequential, and we also have this humongous grille up front that has plenty of cooling for that twin turbo V6. This one has the blacked out Toyota badge, and you can see a camera right below it for the 360 camera system. Tundra badging right below that, holes in the bumper for your front parking sensors, and underneath you can see we have a little skid plate right there. While this truck may not be designed for off-roading, it is definitely nice to have a skid plate in case you bump into something. Side profile on this truck is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this truck right here. This is finished in the gray paint from Toyota with the 20-inch wheels. So these are 20-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Dueler tires. Super popular tires, they last a long time. These are 265 60/20s, and they're the same size up front as they are in the back. Shocks, springs, all that good stuff. Also, as you can see, you also do have the option to have automatic folding mirrors, which is nice because this truck is pretty huge. So fitting it inside tight parking spots is going to be a breeze with those mirrors automatically folding in. Platinum badging on the side, black window trim all the way around. Another thing I'm a big fan of is these doors. They feel nice and heavy, quality to the touch. You really have to be aggressive with them to close them. They feel really solid. Here's our side steps on this one. These are some Go Rhino steps. So nice and grippy, easy to step in and out of this truck. Moving to the back, there's those same 20-inch wheels and our struts, springs, and our spare tire underneath. Now moving to the back, here's our tail lights with the Tundra badging inside the tailgate. Here's our tow hitch. We also do have a 4-pin and 6-pin connector. Also, if we open up the tailgate, it comes down nice and easy. You have this finish all the way around the tailgate and inside the truck bed that is really durable, that's going to last a long time. 120 volt outlet here in the back. This one has a tonneau cover, so your cargo is definitely going to be protected. This one has some extra steps in the back, so that is that. Absolutely beautiful rear end. I love these tail lights. I love the black accents all the way around. Great looking truck. Here's our exhaust. So we have a single exhaust outlet for that twin turbo V6, and here is where you put your fuel in. So open this up, you have a gas cap, and just put your fuel inside there. This will take 87 octane or above, so no issues there. Moving to the back seats, I am very impressed by these back seats, so let's take a dive into it. You have these premium shades on the back, so you definitely feel like a VIP when you're riding around this thing. Blue stitching with the black leather, absolutely beautiful accents. Storage up top, storage in the middle, and storage down below. It has labels right here, so no cups, bottles only. Here's our back seats wrapped in leather with this blue stitching. It has these really cool cutouts inside the leather that give it a unique design. Now on these seats, you can lift them up from the bottom to reveal some storage underneath. So you have a storage pocket to the left, in the middle, and all the way to the right over there. Now you can also put this back down, and another convenient feature is you can lift down the top of this. So if we do that real quick, you can see we have our JBL subwoofer And we have our tools to get our spare tire out on the other side. That side also folds down as well, so if you don't want to get your seats dirty, you can just lay something up here. Moving inside, I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day, with shoes on. Tons of leg room, tons of headroom. There's also a moonroof in this vehicle, so I can get some sun back here and soak it up. Let's go ahead and close the door. Plenty of space inside of here. We have storage behind the driver and passenger side, 2 cup holders, heated and cooled seats in the second row. I've never seen cooled seats in the second row of a truck before. USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt outlet. You definitely feel special riding in the back of this thing. This back window also does roll down, which is super cool. So let's go ahead and hop up front and take a look where all the magic happens. Here we go, same accents up front, storage up top, middle, and below. No glasses, only bottles. Memory seats with 2 different settings. You can see right here, these are fully powered, so you can move them forwards, backwards, recline, decline, and you also do have an adjustment for your upper legs. So really cool feature from Toyota there. Same black leather with blue stitching. Really, really nice appearance. Now these mirrors do fold in. Like I said, they'll fold in automatically, or you can push this button right here to fold them in. Window locks, lock, unlock, and all of your window controls. Here's where you pop the hood at. Let's go ahead and hop inside, start this bad boy up, and take a look at the 1,000 buttons inside of here. As soon as I turn on, I know I'm driving a Toyota Tundra. Massive 14-inch touchscreen to the right of me, which is super simplistic, easy to use. In a world of making things more complicated for no reason, I really do appreciate this touchscreen. So let's go ahead and dive into it. I speak English. So we have our audio tab, navigation that you have to subscribe to, of course, phone, vehicle trip info, and settings. Nice, simple, easy to use, super responsive screen. Huge fan of it. Right below the screen, we have all of our AC controls, so we can adjust our fan speed. We do have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. There's a USB to the right of that. Here's your volume control. Heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. Right below that, here's our trailer camera view. So this does have the 360 camera system where you can see all the way around the truck, which is super cool. You have that button, or you can put it in reverse and it will show you all of your views. So you can select all your different views on the screen: front, behind, wheels, back wheels, truck bed, and you also do have an auto camera button if you don't want to make the choices yourself. Now for the shifter, we have a super big shifter button on the side to go up into park, reverse, neutral, drive, or sport mode, where you can shift up or down through the gears. Here's our electronic parking brake, so you can pull to cut that on. And here's your auto hold button, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake while you're waiting at stoplights. Traction control, hazard button, wireless phone charger with storage right below that. 2 cup holders right here that you can cover up. And we do have different drive modes in this vehicle, so you can turn the selector to the left or right to select Eco, Sport, or Normal mode. I'm going to leave it in Sport because I'm a sporty kind of dude. And we also do have a tow haul mode right here. To change from 2 high to 4 high or 4 low, you just push on this button, pull back again. Super nice, easy to use. Now we have this 20-way folding center console right here that's pretty complicated. So there's a little cover right here that you can open up and store some business cards inside of. This thing is where I would put my phone at, but you can slide that forwards or backwards if you need more space. And to open it up, there's a button right here. So open this bad boy up, tons of storage inside of there. We have a USB, USB-C. No more coins will be flying around the inside of your truck, as you have coin holders inside of here. So pennies, quarters, nickels, they don't stand a chance in this thing. 2 cup holders to the back, like I said before. And onto the steering wheel. Super premium feeling steering wheel. This leather is out of this world. Look at the quality on that. Thank you, Toyota. So blue stitching on the steering wheel. You can scroll up, down, left, and right through your screen, which will show you your eco, navigation, audio, vehicle information, settings, and I need maintenance. Also, on the steering wheel, we have call answering. We can go back, adjust our volume, hands-free voice commands, And to the right, we have our forward collision, lane keep assist, cruise control buttons, different modes for music, so we can scroll through AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with this little button right here. You can also scroll up or down through your music using these buttons right here. But fantastic steering wheel design. Light controls are on the left side of the steering wheel, and we have our windshield wiper controls on the right side. This is a push button start, so you just push this to start or stop the engine, and you also do have an electronic parking brake. Now, to the left of the steering wheel, we're gonna have our door lights, automatic light controls right here, automatic stop start, your brightness for your screens, odometer, and you can also cut off your parking sensors. Now, your heated steering wheel button is right here for some reason. Don't know why, but if you want to heat your steering wheel, you'll have to go all the way down here and touch that. This is for the 120 volt outlet. And absolutely fantastic design on the interior. You can see we have handles, AC vents, 2 digital displays. Looks amazing. Also, glove box with plenty of storage space. But wow, guys, what a beautiful truck. Let's go ahead and hop out and take one last look at the outside, and I'll give you guys all the pricing information. So, this is a 2024 Toyota Tundra Platinum. That is actually used at my dealership, but I do have the window sticker to see how much they paid for it. The truck is on right now, so you can see the LED running lights all the way around this vehicle. What a beautiful truck. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys like the Toyota Tundra, or do you like something else like the Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, or Ford F-150? Which one is the king in your book? Let me know in the comments down below. But let's get into the window sticker. So I'm gonna hop back inside and we're gonna take a look at this window sticker right here. So here she is, fresh off the press. Let's unfold it and undo this because the customer tore it in half for some reason. So standard equipment on this vehicle, I'll go over that real quick. 389 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque out of this twin-turbo V6, 10-speed automatic transmission, 14-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 20-inch wheels, tons of great standard features. Now here's all the safety ratings. You can see the color is magnetic gray metallic, Toyota Tundra Platinum Crew Max 5.5 foot bed, 17 miles per gallon city, 22 highway, which is really good for a truck. And this one has all of these options on it. So not very many options from Toyota, but you can get the heads-up display, which you can see displayed right there. And you can see we have the phone cables, all-weather floor liners, stainless steel door edge guard. So base price of this vehicle is going to be $64,775, and this one with the delivery, processing, and handling fee is $67,629. Here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. But all right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at the Toyota Tundra with me. If you guys want to see more videos, consider liking this one, subscribe for more content. My name is Joshua McDonald. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.